Hey YouTube, Mike here. How we all doing today? Hope we all had a safe and productive week. Alright, well today's video is a new Festool which I picked up the other day at Woodcraft of Jacksonville. Thank you Billy for your advice and your recommendation as always. Greatly appreciated. Alright, what I got is the new Festool, and it is the model number TID18 HPC 40i plus. It is the new Impact. It's their new light version with the new high output 4 amp hour battery. I decided to buy it as a kit form because, well, basically since I have so many Milwaukee stuff, and when they go bad on my truck, I take the drill, I take the Sawzall, whatever, from here and bring it, and then my supply house actually takes the drills back to Milwaukee, and they're on the warranty, they repair them, and I get a rebuilt one back. So I figured I'm just going to start using whatever I have here, put it on my truck, use it for my second truck, and then just leave my Festool drills and tools here. So that's why I decided to buy it as a kit form. So basically it comes with the drill, it comes with two of their new 4.0 lithium ion batteries, and what is it, 72 watt hours at 4.0 amp hours. You get two of them. It's got the fuel indicator light on it. Comes with a charger, but it's not an Airstream charger because Festool apparently has become very aggressive with their prices. Because this was $339, and I think tool only is $199. So do the math. Comes with a belt clip which can be put on either side of the tool. The battery back in here. And then of course it comes with manuals, warranty card, and their Bible. Okay, now let me just go over this first. This is the older 18 volt, but it's a 5.2 amp hour battery. The battery can be used. Back to the new one. Smaller, lighter, very well balanced. I've been messing with it. Matter of fact, if you'll see behind me, I got the rinnai board. I had to do some rinnai videos. So I was putting the screws in and out of the thing with this, and I tell you, it works very nice. Okay, it comes with the new Systainer 3. And look at the side of the Systainer. Billy pointed that out. It looks like, to me, the way it's grooved, some type of rack system for this thing to be held in. I don't know, I'm going to be scouring YouTube to see if there's anything out there. But I was very excited when I saw these new Systainers, especially because I keep quite a few of them on my truck. And I like that you can carry them like a briefcase. So let's see what happens. All right, now bits. They handle Milwaukee. The tip came out. Here's a DeWalt 1/4 inch nut driver bit. But their new Festool bit, which if I want to use Festool, but this is their older Festool bit, will not go in. No matter, and I've been playing with it, I've been futzing with it, nothing. So, but hey, you know, we could still use, you know, somebody, you know, Milwaukee's bits. All right, it's got 4 speeds. You have this speed which has kind of a T on it. What that does is it senses when you're doing a sheet metal screw, as you're pushing in, it's speeding up the drill. When it breaks through and starts going in, it slows it down so it doesn't shear the head off. A few of the other tools do that, but I just think it's a really good, because I've done sheet metal screws for years, and with other drills, especially power corded drills, they would just shear the heads right off. Then you have speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. All right, let's pan this around. And I had to take this off for the video, but let's just drop a couple of screws in here. I mean, it's a very nice, very, very comfortable. Very nice handling drill, and it's very comfortable in the hand. I mean, I like drills, you know, I like Milwaukee, but nice. And I have another piece I put up here, so the tankless has to go higher, and then I just screw it into the sides. Then I have 2 braces to come down to hold this from, so it doesn't become the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And I pop them in with the drill, and today I use that. And I mean, it's nice like the other drills, but you know, I just like my Festools. And I figure if I'm going to be putting them all in, I might as well just have now have the impact drill. So it fits very nice in there. There's your, that's how it looks when it's inside Systainer. It's got a little battery, not battery, excuse me. It's got a little bit holder there. Yeah, very nice, very nice. I'll be doing a bit more use out of this. New battery. Yeah, very nice. Alrighty. Alright, yeah, this is, I figured, just a quick video, just showing it. I'll do a further review on it, you know, in a few months, once, you know, keep using it. And we'll go from there. Alrighty. Check out my my rinnai channel, the Rinnai Guy, on YouTube. I've been doing more and more videos for, you know, for rinnai, with the rinnai units, and you know, again, I got a garage full of rinnai pieces over here, but there might be a little reveal, something in the works in the future. I can't really say right now, but I got to see what's going on as far as with rinnai. But yeah, I'm going to be putting out a video a week, training video, and was it 2 weeks ago I did pretty much an unboxing of a new product, and a demonstration of how it installs. And I have another Instagram account called the Rinnai Guy Mike. So I'll put that all in the description below. I'll put model numbers and pricing below. But yeah, no, I mean, I'm positive it was $339. So I mean, that's, last drill I bought was like almost 600 bucks. So they told me that they're becoming very aggressive to try to compete with the other drills out there, to get their drills, you know, more on the market. We all know how good their product is, so we'll see. Well, I'll give you, like I said, I'll give you a review in a few months. All right? All right, thank you for all the subscribes, all the likes, all the comments. Again, my email will be below if you want a Mike's Woodshop sticker. or if you want to ask a question, just email me. And as soon as I get a chance, again, I apologize for not answering the comments so fast. And some of the emails, I've just been so busy at work. All right? All right, you all be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.